What is going on, guys? This is Kellen here with Dream Media. We are going to be unboxing this NZ800 for this awesome theater we're working on here in Fort Payne, Alabama. This customer reached out to us. He is doing a full-blown Dream Media Plus theater, Focal 1000s, Trinoff, Kaleidoscape, Mad VR, all the goodies. And for the display, we're going to be getting into the NZ800. So stay tuned. We'll get to the unboxing right after the intro. All right guys, welcome back. So you have seen on our channel many a times of us talking about the JVCs, and to my surprise, I think this year has been their biggest upgrades in terms of picture quality. So let's talk about some of the features that they've added here on their new lineup. So this one is not particularly as new as the 500s or 700s. So this is the NZ800. This is just one step down from their flagship NZ900. So what is new? So they have the new deep black technology. They have some new algorithms for their dynamic tone mapping, which if you're not familiar with dynamic tone mapping, this can kind of read the HDR content coming in and adjust it on a frame by frame or a scene by scene basis. So you're always gonna get the best shadow detail, highlight recovery. You're able to, or the projector rather, is able to do that on the fly. You do not really have to mess with anything manually, so to speak. So some of the competitors have the ability to tone map as well, but it's not dynamic, it's not adaptive. So you do have to mess with, if you're watching something bright, getting some of that highlight recovery. If you're watching something a little darker, getting some of that shadow recovery. So what's nice about the JVCs, it's been the case for several years now. It will do that for you on the fly. I think personally, looking at these units, having lived with these units for several years, I've had the NZ9 in my theater, and now I have the 900, but I've seen this in the 700, I've seen this in the 500, which is their newest, cheapest option. It's one of the best native 4K projectors you can buy. It's $6,000, $59.95. But I think the biggest improvement that JVC has implemented in their projectors thus far has been their newest generation of chips. And so, one thing, if you had to pick one thing that I would say customers or reviewers or just the average Joe comparing projectors out there, I would say the closest competitor to JVC, they've always been notorious for their amazing black levels, amazing contrast, awesome HDR tone mapping. But if you did have to give the upside to their competitor on anything, it might be sharpness and detail. Well, not anymore. So the newest chips that are in the JVC projectors, I think, rival those competitors. And I know the first thing I saw whenever I got the NZ900 in my own theater, it almost made my NZ9 look out of focus. It's not that the NZ9 was bad in any way, it was a little soft. It wasn't as crisp, it wasn't as detailed as some of the Sony projectors. Granted, it's not everything. I enjoyed the contrast and black levels over the Sony, but now these new projectors, the new line with JVC, are just a step above what they've put out in the past, in my opinion. And like I said, they've never been bad, but this is the best and the biggest improvement that I've seen them make in their projectors. And it's solely just the level of detail and crisp sharpness overall throughout the whole image now that I think these are the best projector you can buy. I frequently get calls in and say, hey, I'm looking for a projector. I want to make a projector upgrade. You know, I'm looking at company A or company B. And my response is simply, really, man? Just get whatever JVC you can afford. Whichever JVC fits in your budget, that's going to be your best option. Granted, there's some other things that we talk about, but if it's solely just looking to make it a projector purchase, not looking at the screen, keeping the screen, whatever, you know, whatever JVC fits your budget, that's going to be your best option right now on the market. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're gonna show some examples of the NZ800 in action. We also have an NZ700 here. We're gonna do some quick comparisons with content as well. We're gonna be using an AT screen from EPV. So we're gonna get this thing up and running, but wanted to do a quick unboxing here and explain my experience with the new JVCs. If you guys have any questions, or if you're interested in making a purchase, or if you have questions on theater, smart home, lighting, shades, we do have options now where we can help you out with new constructions with our Dream Media Plus program in Denver, Colorado, and surrounding areas with Colorado, Nashville, Dallas, Texas, parts of Texas. Or if you are wanting to be part of our Dream Media Plus program, like this customer here, we can take you above and beyond pretty much anywhere in the States. We even had customers in the Bahamas. So if that's something you're interested in, if you would like to have our service beyond white glove service, we are willing to help, and you can feel free to reach out at dreammediaav.com. We have our free consultation booking there. You can definitely give us a call anytime. But that's gonna wrap up today's video on the NZ800. Stay tuned for some quick demos of it in action. Hope you liked the video. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments down below, and we'll catch you in the next one.